Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed the lasers types in 3 level, 4 level laser systems. So in these level systems we define in detail how can be work perform in that of the lasers 3 level and 4 level system. So today we are now going to start the properties of laser modes. In last lectures we discussing the longitudinal and transverse modes in detail. So according to that of the longitudinal and transverse modes, these two nodes can be exist simultaneously within the cavity of resonance. These characteristics of laser modes may be can be defined in the form of various cavity of resonance. So according to that of these two modes, we get the various types of characteristics properties study in this topic. So firstly I tell you about there are 5 types of laser modes properties. So first is spatial dependence, second is frequency dependence, third mode competition, fourth is spectral hole burning, and fifth one is spatial hole burning. So now one by one we detail discuss about these properties of laser modes. So firstly I tell you about the spatial dependence of property of laser mode. In this spatial dependence properties, longitudinal modes is distinct standing wave. The electric field is zero at the mirrors. We know that in longitudinal the waveforms occur in the form of standing wave. So in that case the field is defined as zero. That situated in that of corners. So in longitudinal modes will be defined by V is equal to C by 2 mu L. In this where the m is equal to the numbers will be defined as 1 2 3. That gives the mode numbers can be defined in this way. So that the longitudinal modes is associated with the number of modes that will be characterized by the integers number defined in the form of m comma n. These the that types of modes occurs in that longitudinal is standing waveform. So that will be defined in the form of integer values m comma n. The standing wave pattern of the for each mode can be corresponding to the distinct spatial distribution of laser intensity within the cavity. That standing will define the spatial distribution from center from the that will be the modes of generated in that form of waves. So that nodes corresponding to the that will be the standing wave of each mode correspond to distinct spatial distribution of laser intensity within the cavity. The spatial distribution of each mode can be laser intensity defined within the each mode, and slightly can be different from different defined from the that can other mode. So we can be defined the different modes cover different regions of that spatial independence mode. So now next will be defined as the frequency dependence mode. In this frequency dependence mode, the two transverse modes belong to the same longitudinal mode. And that can be differ differently slightly in the form of frequency. In this frequency dependence modes, that the transverse mode occurs, and then same form of longitudinal mode can be frequency will be differentiate in that manner. So different optical path lengths within that cavity will be occurred. So that the adjacent longitudinal modes will have a greater frequency difference created between these transverse and longitudinal mode, where beyond the path difference will be created of that different optical path length, that cavity will be defined. So that can be the we get the greater form of frequency difference between that longitudinal modes will be defined, that of the length of cavity. So now next one is third defined as mode computation. In this mode computation, we can firstly define, let us consider a medium that can be located inside a cavity. That cavity will be occurred from when pumping increased slowly from less than that of the threshold frequency. So that threshold will be defined as the above the threshold value. So below threshold value, the in case of that spontaneous emission will be present. So within that increasing pumping cavity, we get the modes will form in cavity modes will be built up. So that after the pumping processes, the amplitude of the cavity will be increased, and that of the threshold frequency will be reached. That form of waves associated in the different modes within the same region can be generated of that form of same upper and upper laser level specifies that of the excited states atoms. So we get the various modes can be developed in that manner. So we can the modes can be tries to the waves associated with the different modes within the same region. So each mode can be grow towards the reaching the its saturation intensity by stimulating more emissions at its frequency. So that can be the threshold frequency defined in the form of the lasers will be broadening mechanisms in transitions. That will be the increasing, the pumping cannot be increased, that of the population's inversion beyond the threshold value. That threshold value oscillations will be defined as V0. So that can be starts intensity of that corresponding that mode will be the highest rounded form of gain occur. So we defined spectrally in the form of homogeneously broadening mechanism, and that will be the in the form of inhomogeneous broadening the laser. So in that case we will be defined in the form of the lasers homogeneously broadened transitions that will be increase in pumping cannot be increased, that the population inversion beyond the threshold value. So it can be ideally the homogeneous broadened laser behave like the identically in and that characterized by a spectral line shape of functions. That functions gives g of v. So that will be the spectral shape will be shape will be defined oscillations in the form of central frequency of V0. So that case the gain will be highest. So g of v will be the functions of defined by the oscillations build of the central frequency v0. So that will be the gain that of other frequencies will be remains below the threshold value. So that can be it can be very difficult to show that the way another different mode stimulate the other frequencies that can be remains the below threshold value. So it can be difficult than that of the other mode. So that stimulating emission can be takes place in that in between into that manner. So the one mode in will be lasing action perform, and that will be the less form defined. So that the transverse mode will be defined the exciting states of belong the strongest longitudinal form of mode. So that will be the modes will be defined at that axis of different spatial regions. So in this in this homogeneous broadening, we get the longitudinal modes in different form of spatial regions. So similarly we perform the in homogeneous broadening mechanism. How can we perform the spectral line of that modes? So in this inhomogeneous broadening mechanism, the individual atoms can have the behave differently from one mode to another mode. That of the gain of profile can be increased and above the threshold value. The frequency at that manner will be defined V0. So that regions in this way the gain of V0 remains at the threshold value. So that will be occur that gain saturations. So that case the pumping may be increases and gain of other frequencies will be can be defined in the oscillations form of frequencies also. So that will be the create that will be defined the different longitudinal modes can be occurred in the form of operate independently. So they can be computing for the upper level to laser level of species 5. So in that case the transverse modes associated with the same longitudinal mode form. So that will be the defined the upper level laser can be specifies. So according to that of longitudinal and longitudinal and transverse modes, the modes will be specified similarly in the form of upper laser actions. That will be the defined in this mode of computation between these transverse and longitudinal modes. So thank you.